Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make French toast, a delightful breakfast treat that is surprisingly easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 6 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Also, have ready 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter for the pan. Now, let's create the flavorful custard that gives French toast its signature taste. In a shallow dish, whisk your 2 large eggs until they are completely combined. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together until the mixture is smooth and all ingredients are fully incorporated. This is your dipping batter. With your custard ready, it's time to cook. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Ensure the butter coats the bottom of the pan evenly. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Place the soaked bread into the hot skillet. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. Your delicious French toast is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still warm. You can elevate the flavor with a generous drizzle of maple syrup or a light dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra special touch, consider adding fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, some sliced bananas, or even a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy this classic breakfast treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.